What you got on wrist? What you got on wrist?
Red Nadal, you know, to go with this new red custom interior, bro.
Wearing the Blue Panda AP.
It's not light.
Yeah, it's actually very light though.
AP Vampire. Shout out TPT.
Timepiece Trading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out Timepiece Trading. Timepiece Trading.
Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what time it is. We're going back to the track. Show them quickly the lineup. So, not even half the lineup, I'm sure. I think I invited out 50 people. We got like 10 here. It looks like it's about to rain, so pray for us, guys. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully we're all gonna be safe and enjoy the vlog. So we here, we just pulled up, we got yelled at for driving in too fast, but hopefully it'll be a fun day. Usually there's no like staff here, bro. Today they got staff here. I feel like they watched our vlog and they're like, yo, you guys too crazy. Oh guys, I haven't shown you all yet. Honestly, we gotta make a vlog just for this. This is my brand new Audi R8 from my brother's gifted to me. You guys saw it. Yo, we gotta do like some crazy before and after B-roll with this. Let's start with this. Look how crazy the interior is, Pat.
What the fuck happened here?
Where?
Right here.
Clown. I'm not falling for that.
Seriously?
Yeah, well, yeah, what?
Yeah, what?
You just want me close to you, huh?
Yeah, I do, but what is
Whoa.
What the fuck happened?
What?
Oh, it's dirt.
It's dirt.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not a scratch. Kevin was driving. What did he do?
Yo, Kev. No, yeah, it's coming off. It's coming off.
It's just dirt, right?
Yeah.
So when you do this, you're gonna do this, hold it down for a second, and then you're gonna start talking, okay?
Thank you.
All right, so you just call them control, say control, timepiece trading, got mechanical failure, turn, whatever. All right?
We're lucky because we have two owners of body shops here. Like we know cars very well.
Two owners of a body shop, it's not a good way to start this.
No, but they know the engine, the oil, all that stuff.
that-
They know the tires. Came with the puffer shoes and everything, you know.
40 guy crew.
Nice to see you, brother. What's up, brother?
How are you, G? I'm
Nice to
chilling,
see
bro.
you.
Nice to see you.
What's up, Colin? What's up, bro?
How are you?
Good to see you, brother. Good to see you too. What'd you whip in, Colin?
I brought my Lambo, the Urus Performante.
We've had a couple of those on the
Yeah?
track before.
There you go.
Ethan Duran brought one last time. I don't know if
The Perf?
Perf, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's Performante, right?
Yeah. That shit hard. The
That
spec's
fucking
crazy.
colorway is sick.
I think the performance.
These match perfect. I got a match for your brother. I got a match for your brother. A match? Yeah. The GT3 RS. Yeah. We got three now, bro. Jake brought one too. Yo, look, these guys got a. The skyline's gonna be like, sure, mad fireworks and shit.
Yeah, that's a standard.
Hey, nice watch, bro.
Bro,
I never been there on New Year's.
bro, buildings go up so.
Look, everyone likes your watch.
Yeah, bro.
That shit's
Is that a
style
chocolate
goes
base?
crazy. It's green.
No, green.
It's yellow with green. Usually people wear the rose with
Classy
green.
though, bro. I love
It's a
that.
classic.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That green dial is fire.
That's a lucky.
This always hits too though. Champagne on champagne.
Yeah. It's time for a
Oof.
rose gold jumbo, though.
He's crazy. Sounds like
That's a crazy one, yeah. I love that one.
And then Neil's just got the RM on them. He's the type of dude to compliment everybody.
That's an Nadal, no?
Wearing the
Bro,
craziest RM.
well, of
bro.
course.
It's cost nothing, bro. Look how light it is, bro.
It costs nothing.
I mean, cost nothing. I think 300.
Costs nothing,
300.
bro.
Bro, I got racing shoes on, bro.
I came in chanclas, bro.
Love that.
Thank you guys for coming out. We love doing this. Honestly, it's so much fun, and we just like to be safe. We're not gonna tell you exactly what to do and be like hard asses, but we like to be safe. Obviously, want you guys to have a good time. So we usually do 3 cars at once, right?
Let's go 5.
Yeah. Yeah, we got 5.
No, we good because we have experience. But we're gonna do warm-up laps. Like everyone on their first lap around today. Let's just go slow. Let's learn the track. Let's look at the route so you don't fuck up your car. You know, that's it. 5 cars at a time, and look. So we start down there, and then so we're gonna have 5 cars lined up down there. The next car will only go when 1 car reaches the Sunoco. So there's like enough distance between each car. Because like some people will be lapping people if there's not enough distance, and that's when it gets a little unsafe. So
and it's not like, I want to clarify this. It's not a race. Like if you guys go out at five cars at once, it's not
laps.
Exactly. It's not
about that.
If 2 cars goes out once, it's not like, yo, I'm faster than him. Like, nah, you're going at your own pace, but you're beating each other's time.
And we could run drag races from there to there, which gets you like 120 miles per hour. But like, let's do that while people are not on the track, because you're gonna. Like you'll see, when the track ends, you come out here real quick, so it won't be safe. Yeah. All right, let's get it.
AG, what you rocking on the wrist today?
Wearing the Blue Panda AP.
Woo! Clean, 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 clean.
A little light.
It's not light.
Yeah, it's actually very light though.
Featherweight, bro. Featherweight.
What you got on the wrist today? Hold on, let me see.
Got a Oyster Perpetual fluted.
It's not light.
AP Vampire.
Oh.
Shout out TPT.
Yes, sir.
What you got on wrist? What you got on wrist?
Red Nadal, you know, to go with this new red custom interior, bro.
benefit of just shopping with TPT. It's like, I'm not saying like if you shop you're definitely gonna get invited, but like, you know, there's certain people that we fuck with, and you know, they get invited out, and we spend $25,000 on the day for you to come enjoy the track with us. And I know most people, I have 13 cars, guys. Like, I could have easily just kept the track to myself, and yeah, no, I didn't ask anyone to pitch in $1, but yeah, just fuck with us, guys. You know, be good to us, do good business, and we show love. Yellow, you touch the blue and yellow, you fucking slide right here. Okay, Jake exited. Thank you, Jake. Responsible guy. The last 3 times, yeah, the last 3 times we rescheduled because of the rain. I think 2 of the 3 times it didn't even end up raining. Today we're like being positive, praying. We're like, yo, we ain't canceling again. That's what we're dealing with, yo. But yo, look at the. I don't like the rain. We almost just slid out. Exactly. We almost just slid out. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I almost slid out so bad just now. Yeah. You know this last corner? Yeah. Like the turn I love to take really hard. We took it kind of hard, like 80. The car went like that, bro. It's so scary. I'm not gonna take. Bro, that's where I broke the wheel. This car, this turn. So. Out of this car. The R8 felt way better, honestly. Chill first one, bro. Like a very, very chill.
This car feels so big too.
This is much bigger than the one you used to have.
Yeah. Day's going great. I think I'm like 75 laps in. Sweating. I need some electrolytes. That's all I can say, bro.
Alright, y'all, that's a wrap. Today was like the least laps I've ever done on the track when I've come out here, but it's raining, you know, rather be safe than sorry. One day, gotta chill with the fam, and yeah, we'll be back soon. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys on the next one.